If you think you can handle driving a badass truck, Autoplex in Clovis is claiming to have a badass truck inventory bigger than the state of Texas. That's right, a bigger selection of badass trucks, bigger lifts, bigger wheels and tires, and bigger, better deals. Work trucks, family trucks, and even trucks for just fooling around. Only Clovis Autoplex offers a diesel in-stock guarantee, included on all Power Strokes Cummins and Duramax diesels. Visit Clovis Autoplex at Herndon and Minnewawa, or check them out online at clovisautoplex.com.